Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can connect this DJI Mic Mini to your mobile phone. This is as the mic. Okay, you can record videos or audio using this mic. Okay, first of all, this mic is different actually. DJI Mini Mic 2TX plus 1RX. This package is different. This is different actually. This is Osmo Pocket 3. This pocket sized camera with the gimbal. Okay, in this this is the combo which also comes with the mic here. See here, this is the one. DJI Mic 2 transmitter, DJI Mic 2. So now I'll show you how you can connect with the mobile actually. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on your mobile. Okay, I'm just turning this on. Okay, it is searching for the available devices. On the mic, see here there is power on button, right? You need to just power on with the long press so that you'll see a blue light which is slightly blinking. So this is just turned on, but it is not in the pairing mode. So it is showing like no available device. What I need to do is there is a connect button, see here, just above this power button. I need to long press on this one also, so that the blinking will be a bit faster, means this is in the pairing mode. Now I'll try to refresh for the available Bluetooth devices, which is DJI Mic 2 DC7 BP3. So this is the name of this mic here. So allow access to contacts and call logs. For now I'm not checking that option. I just pairing this so that this got paired now, and it is showing the battery percentage. Now what I'll do is just for the sample purpose, just for this tutorial purpose, I'll be clicking on the recorder. Maybe I can use this windscreen also on top of it. I can mount this on top of it like this. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, now I'll use this button to keep it to my shirt or t-shirt, and I'll be turning on the recorder here on my phone, and I'll record one small audio clip, and I'll play it. Okay, yeah, now I'm just recording the audio with this DJI Mic 2, as this mic and the mobile has been connected via Bluetooth. So let us test the audio now. See here, right now all this time, maybe I can stop this. I can save it. I can save it as DJI. Okay, right? This DJI clip. Let us play and listen. Now I'm just recording the audio with this DJI Mic 2, as this mic and the mobile has been connected via Bluetooth. So let us test the audio now. See right now all this time, maybe I can stop. Yeah, see here, you have listened to the output also. This is how you can connect the DJI Mic 2, which came for the camera gimbal, but you can use it for your smartphone also. If you want to know how to connect to laptop or other devices, please do ask in the comments. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.